Hi friends, this is CC and welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we'll do an unboxing of this model, which is the Italeri 1/72 scale model of the F-22 Raptor, the kit number 1207. The Raptor is known as a superiority fighter used by the US Air Force. This model was issued in 2014. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. We've got a full instruction manual there, which is the F-22 Raptor. It's got 4 sprues, 3 in grey plastic and 1 in a clear plastic. So you can see this model has got internal missile bays with missiles, and pylons with bombs. And the paint, this is the paint scheme, which is, well, all grey basically. Let's have a look at the parts. First I'll take them out of the bag. So let's have a look. So this first sprue here has the fuselage part, which is this is the lower fuselage part. Molding is quite good. Panel lines are recessed, but I'll probably run the scriber through the panel lines here and there once or twice just to get it a bit deeper. There's not a lot of flash, but some ejector pin marks. They are inside the model and won't be visible when it's built. This is the second sprue, which contains the upper half of the fuselage, and then the nose of the aircraft and the fins. It's a pretty big model actually. And the last sprue contains the missiles, some pylons, wheels, ailerons, then there's missile bay doors, a bit of the exhaust, and the interior parts like the seats, landing gear doors. And this last sprue is a clear sprue. I won't take it out of the bag, but you can have a look. It's very clear and quite good because it doesn't look like there's any distortion. Last but not least, this is the decal sheet. The decals are nicely printed and well aligned, and the colors are quite bright. And the other bits are the low vis grey colors. There you go. I'm looking forward to building this model, and I'll do that in another vlog. So please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching.